lo muntu uthatha ifoto andimazi nenzani mhlawumbe we're going to do this again. Bye for now. I hope you're all doing well. I'm fine over here. This is Sheila Kikana Goba Sheila Darlingz. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Guys, this is after 3. I'm going on a, what is it? Afternoon cold drink, Coke, coffee. This is the bag that I bought at Shein, guys. So cute. I decided to carry it today. So let's go. We are going. I like this bag. It's actually very cute and small. Just with my key, I don't have to take out my car keys. I don't know where I am going, but what I can tell you is I am going on a date with a friend of mine, a long time friend. Maybe the other time I'll give you a story time. Where am I going with? So for now, let's go. I also got this from Shein, guys. And is it Shein or Temu? No, Temu. And I also got this from Temu. This one from Temu. This one I got it from Maravastad. You know this from the Cape Town vlog. So I'm also wearing some sambas. You know, some like you know me in the sambas. You know me in the sambas. So let's go to Krugerstop. Just imagine I'm going to Krugerstop. It's so far, but that's much quieter and short. We wanna sit and have a conversation at the same time as adult. So yep, we're gonna yep, guys. I am not going to show you my friend, guys, because you don't have to see my friend, and my friend doesn't want to be on some YouTube channels, guys. Yeah, we're gonna go now. I'm gonna call him, and then yes.
What you need is just an offering. It's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, is my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be up.
We are still, oh, this is nice. We are still doing.
Mind. Hold a hand and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And I'ma wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher.
first assignment. I want to focus on my second assignment. So I'm up already, guys. As you all know, that today we are going to the motor. Is it motorist? What is it? Motor what? Kyalami. So we're going there. It is the last day today. Yesterday something horrible happened to me and my son. But I'll talk about it once everything's resolved. At this point in time, I'm trusting God in everything that happened, well, including of everyone else that was involved. Yeah, I'm up, guys. I don't want to lie. Yesterday I got home around 10ish 11 and I slept. I only wake up at 3. I think I wake up at 2:30 to 3 when my son woke up, because he's also writing exams on Monday. Guys, we fight in this house. We don't have time to cry. In this house, we fight. We don't have time to cry. You can't just sit here and be crying and be crying. No. That's not my son. That is not my, that can never be my child. Apa, we are pakama uzivotulile and go. We deal with our traumas and issues later. So I'm up. I just want to do my work, and I don't want to lie. I'm numb. I don't know how to feel after what happened. I don't know how to feel, but I know I have priorities. I need to do what I have to do, unfortunately. Yeah, I just need to fix my mindset and take a sip of life, to fix my mindset and continue with what is important and with what is going to change our lives forever, which is education. That I got it as a late bloomer. But anyway, I trust the process, and if you can see, these are what I'm going to wear tomorrow. My clothes, I just put it on my chair. This is in my room. So I'm also getting, you see, I'm downloading my other video for my other channel, so I need to post this video. And I'm sorry, guys, that I was quiet. I thought yesterday I was gonna go and come back. I thought I was gonna call and show you my hairstyle, show you my speed. We went to the salon, and we ended up going elsewhere, which a lot has happened after that. So we actually, if I can edit and finish everything off, I just want to put it on, because I know Monday I'm gonna be busy. Because it's so funny, I was actually on leave for my son was not well, my younger one. Now I have to be on, like, guys, at this point in time, I'm looking at my children, and that gives me courage, guys. All right, so let me just quickly, guys, welcome to the vlog. I last spoke to you early this morning. So guys, we are done. We are going to the Kyalami Grand Prix Circuit. So this is my foot. You're not gonna see my foot. Please hold this for me, Andy. Okay, guys, I am wearing my hammer dips from Zara, and I am wearing my Elvis sneakers. I'm wearing these mommy jeans, a size 36, guys. It's a bit bigger, but I'm fine. Small street, and I'm wearing this beautiful shirt from where did I buy this? Where did I buy this? Shen. No, no, Temu. one is this one. That one. Second. Oh, how do you know? But what did you buy though? What would you buy?
Get to the stoke of